Hello guys, today we have this Tecno phone. This Tecno is Tecno Pop 7 BF6. There it is dead. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix any dead Tecno or any dead phone, any model of phone that is dead. Yeah, okay. So what I recommend you in this video is to watch this video until the end so that you can see or realize how to troubleshoot and fix any phone that is dead, that is damaged. Okay, so don't skip any step. If you skip any step, you will never know how to troubleshoot, how to check any dead phone and fix it. Yeah, so you are welcome. If it is the first time, you have to subscribe to this channel. Try. It's not an obligation, but you can follow us. You can subscribe to our channel. Okay, as you see here, I'm trying to power on this phone, to switch on this phone. As you see, it is not powering on. Let me now try to connect the USB cable and see if the phone will show us a charging sign. No, it's not charging. It is not charging anyway. Yeah, even the light, there is no light, charging light. Other models, when they are dead, they show a low light there in the up side. Yes. So here I found a problem. I know why there is no light or there is no sign of charging. Here on the LCD, the Vbus line is damaged. Now I want to make a jump from the LCD to the motherboard so that the voltage will come from the charging port to the motherboard. Yeah, as you see, I made a jump from the VUSB. Yeah, okay. The voltage from the USB were not attending to the motherboard. Now I made a jump. Let's see what is going on. Let me connect it again. As you see, I connect the charge. There is a low light there. Yeah, those LEDs are lighting. This is the sign of the voltage from USB is arriving at the motherboard. Now the charging will be good if the phone is working. Yeah, unfortunately this phone is dead. Okay, yeah, so let me disconnect the wire, the jump that I made. Yeah, this jump is from the Vbus line, is the line that is supplying the voltage from the subboard to the main motherboard from the charging port. Yeah, that line must have 5 volts if it is working correct. Here I'm checking if there is no short, there is no full short on this motherboard. Yeah, before you repair, before you do anything on any motherboard, you have to check if there is no short circuit on it. Okay, here there is no full short. Okay, even the Vbus has no short circuit. Here what I want is to remove the shield. Yeah, this phone, as you know, I think that you know, this phone is an SPD, a split RAM it has a CPU of separate RAM. Yeah, so here I want to remove the shield and check under the shield if there is no any damage, any component damaged. Yeah, or if there is no short around the power IC or anywhere on the motherboard. Here I want to remove the shield that is covering the eMMC and the power IC. Yeah, okay. This big IC is the eMMC and the small IC is the power IC. Now I'm cooling down. After any action, you have to cool down the motherboard. Yeah. Okay. Now I want to check step by step. I want to check any component there, any capacitor, and see if there is no short circuit. If I don't find any shorts here, I will remove the eMMC. Now I want to remove the eMMC because there is no short. The motherboard has no short circuit. Here I remove the eMMC. After removing the eMMC, you have to cool down, and after that you have to connect your motherboard to the LCD and the battery and connect it to the computer. If you don't hear any sound of detection, the CPU may be having problem. Yeah, okay. Have to clean after. Have to clean. Yeah, as you see. Now I reconnect the motherboard to the LCD, and then I will connect it to the PC in order to check if the phone is detecting. If the phone detects on the PC, it means that the eMMC was having problem. Yeah, let me connect it. Yes, okay. This phone, the motherboard has no problem. The eMMC is the problem. Now I have prepared another eMMC to replace the dead one. Unfortunately, I didn't make a video when I was preparing it, but here I'm going to replace the dead eMMC. Okay, I want to reborn this new one. The new one is already reprogrammed by EasyTag box. If you don't have it, you can use your Firebox or any other box that is able to reprogram the phone. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm burning. Yes, okay. I'm going now. Sometimes you have to cut the boards, the exceeded board. Yeah, exceeded boards, so that all parts will be on the same level. It will be easy to install it on the motherboard, and there will be no issue to be detected on the motherboard. Yeah, if the all parts are on the same, are equal, there will be no issue. Yeah, what I have to do now is to mount the eMMC. The eMMC that I reborn, I want to install it on this motherboard. As you see, there is no eMMC now. I want to install it. The new one, the dead one is not working now, and it is thrown away. Yeah, some people can think that I use the same eMMC. No, it's not this. They are not. It is not the same. Okay, and you must clean the place of eMMC. If there is any dirty or any dust, the installation may be not good, or it may even be impossible, because the dirties will block the contact between the eMMC and the motherboard. Now I want to install the new eMMC, the new one. Okay, let me clean the place of eMMC well. Okay, let me install it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are interested. If you are not interested, you can pass, there is no matter. But what will be good is to subscribe to our channel, because we share the knowledge that we have. We help other technicians, other hardware technicians. Wherever you will need always to fix motherboards or to fix phones, mobile phones. Mobile phones are a lot nowadays in the whole world. The mobile phones are becoming more and more. Yeah, they are becoming multiplied. Yes, the manufacturers are working nowadays. They are making many mobile phones. The reason why it is better to learn how to fix mobile phone. If you learn it, you will never miss something to eat. You will never miss money. You will always get money, because mobile phones can be dead anytime. Yeah. If you are a television repair, I recommend you to learn how to fix mobile phones. This is a good craft. This is a good job. Yeah. Okay. If you are interested in, can join us, can subscribe to our channel, or can drop a comment in the comment section and tell us how you want to learn this craft. Yeah, even after installing a new eMMC, you have to check if the phone is still being detected on PC. Yeah, and here it is detected by the PC. Now what is left is to flash this phone. Here I'm trying to flash this phone, because after reprogrammation there is no file inside the eMMC, there is no firmware. Then we have to flash with the Pandora box. Pandora, there is an online, yes, there is an online Pandora and an offline Pandora. You can choose according to your ability. Here I want to flash with the Pandora, and then as you see, the flashing is going well. Yes, okay. Here the flashing is going to be finished. Yes, look at here, look well at 90%. As you see, it is the motherboard that I fixed. Don't be confused, it is the same phone. And now I'm flashing it. Yes, flashing done. And then as you see here, I flashed it with the BF6 firmware 5. You can call it 5 or firmware. As you see now, boom, our mobile phone is fixed. Boom, back to life again. Yes, unfortunately there is not enough power. The battery is empty. Yeah, after charging the battery, you see that the phone is working correctly. Now it is powering, it is being powered on. Yes, I finished. Okay, let me set it. As you know, after flashing or after replacing eMMC, you have to set the phone until it finished. Yes, okay. So as you see, this job is not easy. You must have some skills in hardware. Yeah, you have to know how to reprogram eMMC, how to remove, clean, reboot, install the eMMC. Yeah, okay.